Welcome to Verbal Reasoning, Lesson 51. Choose the two words, one from each group, which are closest in meaning. Funny, happy, silly. Clown, foolish, sad. Choose one word from each of those groups. The two words which are closest in meaning are silly and foolish. Remember, choose two words, one from each group, which are closest in meaning. And remember, some words have more than one meaning. Reception, inquiry, equip. Appoint, apparatus, investigation. If you're not sure, let's take one word at a time. Reception. Is reception close to the meaning of appoint? Is reception close to the meaning of apparatus? And is reception close to the meaning of investigation? If you don't think that reception is going to be one of your words, then move on to the next. Inquiry. Is inquiry close to the meaning of appoint? Is inquiry close to the meaning of apparatus? And is inquiry close to the meaning of investigation? If you don't think it's any of those, move on to equip. Is equip close to the meaning of appoint? Is equip close to the meaning of apparatus? And finally, is equip close to the meaning of investigation? If you're still not sure, you will need to go back and find your best guess. Which one did you think was the closest in meaning? The two words here that are closest in meaning are inquiry and investigation. Trunk, oak and branch. Acorn, tree and chest. Start with trunk and look at all the words in the second group. If you haven't got it yet, move on to oak. Look at all the words in the second group. If you still don't think you've found two close in meaning, move on to branch. And again, see if branch meets the needs of any of the words in the second group. So is trunk, oak or branch closest to the meaning of one of the words in the second group? It is trunk and chest. Choose two words, one from each group, which are most opposite in meaning. Raining, damp, wet. Dry, sun, cloud. Choose one word from each group. The two words are wet and dry. Did you notice the difference in this question? This question asked for two words which are most opposite in meaning. It's really important that you read all the questions very carefully. Sphere, cricket, ball. Bat, cube, football. The two words here which are most opposite in their meaning are sphere and cube. Wave, signal, sea. Surf, sand, stream. Choose two words, one from each group, which are the most opposite in meaning. The two words that are most opposite are sea and stream. Stop the video and go to test 51A. Don't forget to come back to me when you have completed it. Choose one word from the brackets which will go equally well with both pairs of words outside the brackets. You are going to choose one of these words: sad, separate, tear, fall, gash. One of those words will go equally well with drop and cry, rip and split. Remember, some words have more than one meaning. and some words can be pronounced differently for different meanings. The word which goes equally well with both drop and cry and rip and split is tear or tear. Teardrop. When you cry, you have tears. And rip, split and tear all have similar meanings. Let's try that again. Which word in the brackets, music, behaviour, score, notes, conduct, which word from inside the brackets will go equally well with both pairs of words outside the brackets? Orchestra and baton, actions and manners. Look at each word in turn. Music. Does music go with both pairs of words? Behaviour. Does behaviour go with both pairs of words? How about score? Or notes? And does conduct go equally well with both pairs of words? The word that goes equally well with both pairs of words outside the brackets is conduct. Photograph, write, model, card and letter. One of those words from inside the brackets will go equally well with both pairs of words outside the brackets. Copy and reproduce, version and type, the word that goes equally well with both pairs of words is model. Remember, with questions like this, if you're not sure, first go through each word one at a time. Then, if all else fails, just put in your best guess. Choose one word from the brackets which will go equally well with both pairs of words outside the brackets. The word inside the brackets will be queue, ball, stage, or table. It has to go equally well with sign and promote, bat and racket. Which word goes equally well with both of those pairs of words? The word that will go equally well with both pairs of words is queue. Leap, hurdle, fasten and strapped. Which word inside the brackets will go equally well with both of those pairs of words? Jump, tighten, bound, close and barrier. Think about each word one at a time. Does jump go equally well with leap and hurdle, as well as fastened and strapped? Does tighten go equally well with leap and hurdle, fastened and strapped? How about bound? Does bound go with leap and hurdle, as well as fastened and strapped? Or close? How about barrier? Choose the one that you think best fits. Have you taken a guess? Okay, it's bound. Bound goes equally well with leap and hurdle. It also goes with fastened and strapped. Bound. Now try retire, withdraw, shelter and haven. Which of these words in the brackets will go equally well with those two pairs of words? Post, reverse, protection, retreat and harbour. Work logically through each word. Take one at a time. The word which goes equally well with both pairs of words is retreat. Retreat goes with retire and withdraw. It also goes with shelter and haven. Now go to test 51B. There are lots of different types of questions in a verbal reasoning test. They will all be aiming at testing your logical thinking skills. Keep practicing. You will get better at it if you practice. You are ready to take your verbal reasoning test. Go to Verbal Reasoning Test 51. Good luck!